Alright, here we are underneath Gary's Ranchero. Mr. Burns has cleaned out the housing. And we are ready to go to put our third member in. So we're going to get started on that right now. Alright, I got that beautiful chunk in. Nice new nylock nuts. Looking good. I'm going to put the U-joints in now. Or the U-bolts for the U-joints. Get that done. Put our axles in. Get that done. Put the drum on. Put the wheels on. And put gear oil in it. And then I'm going to go for a little test drive. Alright. Everything's in and together. Don't mind that. I did drop a thing of gear oil. It was after it's full. Because we fill it till it pukes out of the filler on the backside. But she's full. She's in. She's solid. I'm going to fire the car up here on the stands. And put it in gear. And I'm just going to let it run for like 15-20 minutes. So we can break those gears in a little bit. And then we go for a little test drive. Alright. We are under operation. Getting ready to go for a little drive here with the new diff in Gary's Ranchero. Actually, I turn the air on because I can. It's hot today, so we're going to see how the car behaves. But it's hard to shoot video and shift and all that. You can hear the AC cycling out. It's a hot day. So we'll drive around a little bit, see how it does. And might check the AC a little later. Okay, so back from our test drive. We only did 2 or 3 trips around the block. It shifted fine, obviously all that. Turned the AC off pretty much immediately. And yeah, this baby ain't happy. This is not enough radiator, nor is it enough fan for desert living with AC. Yeah, this is not a good look on this car. Yeah. It stayed cool when it was 85 to 90, but you know, it's 105 plus right now at least. So these radiators are not good enough. These chintzy fans. This isn't even a factory style, good factory style fan. And this chintzy little metal shroud. Not good enough for desert living, especially with AC. Jesus. Yeah, she was not happy about that at all.